Okay, so the second award, in essence, what we do is, obviously we work with a lot of different providers and with massive amounts of data. So we've had this category last year as well. We call it the Data Impact Award. And essentially what we're trying to recognize here is a customer who works with massive amounts of data. You know, so in Glenn's example, he's working with nice devices and data's coming streaming through a lot, and it's really important to his business, but the volume of data is not on the scale of these guys. So it doesn't mean Glenn's award is any less than this. It's just acknowledging certain different categories. So, you know, this provider is one of the leading ICT providers in South Africa. I mean, they've been around for a very long time. You know, we onboarded them in May. Same thing, had a conference call, had a meeting or two, and I could kind of gauge, I don't think these oaks believed me, so we've got this concept where we've got a try before you buy policy. So what we do is we basically go and we say, okay, if you're going to want to use the software, we'll do a POC. It's kind of a paid for POC, but you get free access to the software, so you can use it until we prove the concept. So we said to them, we're going to do the POC, and we started. And I don't know where the guys are sitting. I know they're here somewhere, but I think it was literally 2 meetings in. Selvan phoned me and he's like, no, okay, it's done. We're going ahead. Like, I think he even tried to get hold of me like 3 times and I didn't answer my phone. So it was just, again, the use case of you can have a meeting and you can talk to someone, you can tell them what you're doing, but the proof is in the pudding. Glenn just referred to it again. So yeah, I mean, in terms of kind of stuff that they're doing, they've onboarded 13 of their cybersecurity customers already. They're running around 720 integrations daily across their customers. I think it's daily. We worked out the stats. Is it daily? There's my 2 boys at the back there. Okay, Jonty and Mike. So yeah, we process and report on about 50 million rows of data daily in terms of basically all the different products or solutions we push data out of. What's also really cool is we've got this feature called a data grid write back. So what this means is we essentially display data in a grid and you're able to go and actually access the grid, push data into it. Like for example, if there's a call that was logged and you want to update something from a call center point of view, that data can then get pushed back into the warehouse. So you can kind of like, it's not just reporting, it's like actually annotating your reports, okay? So yeah, and then also what's really cool is we actually had a picture sent to us the other day of in their security or their SOC, in their cybersecurity center with our OQLIS dashboards on like, I think it was like 3 screens, big screens that were above everyone. So that like makes you incredibly proud, but it's also rewarding, and it's rewarding when a brand like this trusts us, and not just with their business and their customers' business, but their data. And that's really rewarding. So I'd like to call Selvan Govender from Gijima, who's the head of cybersecurity, to accept this award. Thank you, Selvan. This one's for you. Sorry. And this one's for you. And this is for you. Okay. So yeah, Selvan, first of all, thank you for the trust that you've shown in us. I mean, you guys are a massive brand in South Africa. I think everyone knows it in the IT space. So we've also really enjoyed working with you and the team. So yeah, just from our side, thank you, really thank you. And then if there's anything you'd like to say around just your experience with us, I think it would help.
Perfect. Thank you, Robert.
Thanks.
Yes, I think firstly I'd just like to express our gratitude to Robert and the OQLIS team for the honor of receiving this award today. Thank you. I would also like to acknowledge the Gijima colleagues, Chris, Ian and Marcel, for driving this initiative and actually making a success of this implementation, together with the OQLIS team, Michael and Jonty. Thank you very much. So as a cybersecurity provider, we've acquired many tools over the years. And each tool comes with its own reporting and dashboard, which is great for technical resources. However, when you have to report the security posture or the ICT health of an organization to non-technical execs, there comes the challenge. Manually having to consolidate data from different tool sets is a tedious task. So when we were introduced to OQLIS, there were many aspects of the product and the service offering that interested us. So OQLIS has helped us to automatically consolidate data from multiple tool sets and produce data of value to customers in real time. So it has helped us to improve our operational efficiency, our decision making, and most importantly, the customer experience. The service offering enabled us to get access to skilled resources so that we got the maximum value from the tools. And we didn't have to invest in what's so-called scarce skills in the ICT sector that we all know is very difficult to attain. So yeah, in closing, the power of cybersecurity is in predictive threat analysis. The journey down that road has just begun, and we look forward to working with the OQLIS team to achieve our vision through data intelligence. Thank you.
Thank you, Selvan. So that was really remarkable, and it's great to hear that from you.
Thank you.
I'm going to ask you the same question I asked Glenn. When we started, in the first meetings, the couple of meetings we had, even when we started with the POC, did you imagine we would be where we are now? Did you actually think it was possible? Or did you know we were going to get there? I think it's, yeah.
Yeah, we cybersecurity guys don't show it, but we knew where we were going.
Okay.
We had the faith in you.
Okay. No, that's good. All right. So then I did a good job.
You did an excellent job.
Okay, there we go. Thank you, Selvan.